Hi everybody, it's Jen with Luxury Magnetic Eyelashes, and today I wanted to show you how to use the magnetic eyeliner. So we started selling this several months ago, and I just wanted to kind of give you some tips on how to use it. A lot of the different lash companies are advertising that this magnetic liner is super strong and can hold your lashes in place all day long. And from what I've been reading about their reviews and just watching their videos, I can tell that it is not as strong as they advertise. And so we want to tell you the truth, and that this liner is not very strong. It so far has not been able to hold lashes in place all day. But what we want to use it for is as an aid for those who are first learning how to put their lashes on, or maybe you've tried many times and it has still been a struggle for you, that this liner could be the thing that helps you to figure out how to put your lashes on. So it does hold the lash. It will hold it in place, but I wouldn't trust it to go outside, and I'm a pretty active person, so if I'm with my kids or I'm rushing around doing all my errands or whatever it is I'm doing, I don't think it would stay in place all day. We're still working on creating one that is strong enough, but for now, it's not. So I just want to tell you that straight off. But again, like I said, this makes for an awesome aid to help you put your lash on. So I have already put mine in place. Number one tip with this is that even though it's called eyeliner, you're really not trying to line your eye. You're trying to get it onto your lashes. Why? Because you are you want your eyelash to sit on your eyelashes, not on your eyelid. So focus on getting it where the magnets are going to hit. So for me, I'm wearing the half lash today with 2 magnets. And so I focus mostly on getting the liner in the middle here and on the end, because that's where my magnets sit. And so yours will come with this cute little brush. I couldn't find mine, so I'm using this kind of awkward brush today. But all you want to do is just open it up and stick your brush in and just dip just slightly, because this stuff is, this will last you a long time. This stuff is very black, and it should last you quite a long time. So again, focus on just putting it on the hair, not so much on the eyelid. And I got it a little bit on my eyelid, but that's fine, because you can have eyeliner there too. So get it on your hair, and I've already applied it. You might want to do a couple coats of it, sometimes 2 or 3, just to get it thick enough. And I use a little Q-tip here to kind of clean up if I make a mess. So get it on, and then all you have to do is set your top lash in place. It should click in place there. There, I got it where I want it to be. And then you can get your bottom lash, and without having to kind of fumble with the top lash, you can just get your bottom lash right in place. So there you go. So for those of you that have had a really hard time kind of figuring out how to put your lashes on, this is going to help you. Again, like I said, I wouldn't trust it. Maybe you can figure out a way to wear it all day. I tried blowing a hairdryer on my eye and it flew off, so I wouldn't trust it to just hold with just using the top lash, but it will help you a lot with getting that bottom lash in place. And it gives you kind of a nice look as well. It just lines your eye a little bit. And there you go. So magnetic eyeliner, we sell it in kits online, so you can get the lashes with the liner together and the little applicator brush. And get yours today, and then let us know if you have any tips and tricks that you figure out. And let us know how you like it. All right, bye guys.